high converting offers equals making sales. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how to find high converting products and make money online. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a free gift, so you don't want to miss that. And let's jump into today's content. Alright, guys. So there's several different ways you can find high converting products. So the first way I want to give you the way to find a high converting product is basically doing your research. So basically, there's several different ways you can do your research to find high converting products within different affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon Associates, so anything like that. So basically, the first way of doing your research is copy what's working, but be unique. So what I mean is basically like this is basically find um, products that are proven to work. So basically, like if you see products over and over again, that's basically mean it's basically converting and high. I mean, basically it's high converting and people are making sales from it. So basically, you want to copy it that way to promote, but you want to be unique at the same time by doing it. So the second way is look for what people are promoting. So basically, if you see a product that is promoted on ClickBank, you want to start promoting that same product on ClickBank. If it's a product that is on JVZoo, you want to copy that product and promote it promote it within JVZoo. So that's basically what you need to do. So basically, you can go to ClickBank or JVZoo, and basically whatever product you see that people are using on those platforms, you can basically copy that product and basically start promoting it. So third way is where people are promoting it. So are they promoting on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, anything like that? So social media platforms. So or paid ads. So basically, where are they promoting it? So basically, you want to check out people that promote the same product that you're trying to promote and see how they're promoted. So are they using free traffic or are they using paid traffic? So basically, with free traffic, you need to basically copy the style of their how they promote it. So are they giving like value and tips, different tricks and tips, or are they just like straight up just promoting it? Or just like anything like that. So with paid ad, same thing. Are they like do they have a certain style of copy, or are they just like saying, hey, just give my free affiliate, get my free affiliate marketing offer. So anything like that. So the fourth way is basically see what ads are converting, or on the different platforms. So what I mean is like basically like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads. So basically like uh, any style of any style of platform like social media or anything like that. So basically like for example, let's take YouTube for example, right? So say your competitor is on YouTube. See, so as you can see, you can go to their YouTube. So what I mean is basically like once you go to your YouTube and see a video that plays, and you see your competitor on that ad, basically you can stop that ad and basically just see like what are they doing and the copy of it, and if you can see more of the video copy ad. So the bonus tip I want to give you basically for doing research is if you see the product or an ad that's over and over for like a paid ad, it basically means it's converting, it's high converting. So basically 9 out of 10 is basically a high converting product. So basically you can just copy the ad or basically the product they're using and just basically be unique about it and just basically do the same thing they're doing. So basically just don't reinvent the wheel. So the second way define high converting product is basically just check the stats of the affiliate offer. So basically, like ClickBank, for example, I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm talking about for this. But basically, does it have high gravity score or does it have high conversion rate? So basically, within the affiliate network you're using, you can basically just check the stats of the product you're trying to promote. So let me just show you an example of it. All right, guys. So basically, let's say you're going to ClickBank, right, and trying to find the affiliate stats. So basically, to find the stats of any other products you're trying to promote, basically, you can come to stats right here. So you can check the initial sales or average sale or the average rebuild and the gravity score. So the gravity score is right here. So basically, what the gravity score means is basically products that are like doing really well and people are making a lot of sales from it. So this is not the most popular product probably, but it's the most converting product on the ClickBank within this niche. So basically, the niche for this product is fitness. So basically, this product is unlock your hip flexor. So basically, but now let me give you another tip. So basically, um, now the product that is probably high converting is probably less cost less money because because people that want to do a higher ticket are probably not gonna buy it because it's higher ticket and probably costs more. Like for this product, it costs $63. The next product costs $15, and the next product costs $11. So these are the top three converting products within this niche. So if you're looking to like promote this product, these three products are good to promote because they're high converting. Now, if you just pick a product that's like $300 and it's not like a good gravity score or not even converting as well, you're not gonna make a lot of money because even though it's $300 and one person might buy it, that's $300 already. But let's say you have a high converting product that's like between 5 and 7%, and people buy a like $60 product, that you gonna make even more. So you're probably gonna make between like $400 and $500 because you have a higher conversion rate. So basically, a high conversion rate is everything to when you promote affiliate offers. So the next product you can see is basically like 61 gravity score, and the next one after that is basically a 57 gravity score. So as you can see, the gravity score is getting lower and lower because those are not really good converting offers to promote. So the last way you can find high converting products is basically just split test the offer. So basically what I mean is basically you can split different like different variables. So basically variables like the color button or the headline or the color background. So basically for the color button you can change like say your original color is yellow and then your second variable is red. So basically you can split test between those two colors and see which one's converting more. So if the red one's converting more, you're going to use the red one. Then you can split test the red one with the green button. So you can split test that again. So if the red one is not converting as well as the green one, you can use the green one. So that's basically what I mean. So the same thing as headline. So basically so basically you can use a headline like get my free affiliate marketing offer or get my free affiliate marketing gift or something like that, and you can split test it two and see which one's converting more. Same thing with the color background. So basically, if you're using background like black, you can split test it with a red background, see which one's converting more, and then which one ever converting more, you can use that background, and then split test that again and see which one's converting more, and then you can get the highest converting offer. I mean, high converting yeah, basically high converting offer to your page. So basically, that's what you want to start doing. So you want to start split testing each and one variable on your page or your offer has to offer. So that's basically what you need to start doing. So the free gift I basically want to give you is basically a free affiliate marketing ebook. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z and all the ins and outs you need to know for a beginner and what mistakes to avoid. So if you want access to it, make sure you click the first link in my description. It will take you to that page. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on post notification. Also, like and comment the video because it gave more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.